All students, today we will learn chapter 19 Abdul in the Garden from the subject Environmental Studies. It's about knowledge regarding the vegetables. He has owned his garden and they are growing vegetables. What efforts are taken to grow the vegetables, to crop the vegetables, and what kind of vegetables are there? Root vegetables, normal vegetables, rough skin, smooth skin, different kind of vegetables are there. Some vegetables last for a long time, some does not. So let us know about all the vegetables in the chapter Abdul in the Garden. It was a holiday. Abdul was helping his Abu in the garden. Abdul was clearing the dried leaves and grass from the vegetable beds. वेजिटेबल बेड्स मतलब जो उनकी क्यारी बनाई जाती है उसमें से गंदे पत्ते और जो सूखे हुए पत्ते थे वो और बेकार सी जो घास उग निकलती है उसको हटा रहा था. Abdul started to pull out the grass from one of the beds. He found that it was not easy to pull out even the small grass. His hands became red by the effort. In trying to pull out grass, Abdul knocked down a stick that was supporting the pea plant. That is climber. The delicate stem of the pea plant broke. Abu said, "Why are you pulling the grass? The roots of the grass are strong. You will have to dig them out." Abdul carefully dug out the plant. He then saw that the roots of the grass plant were longer and much more spread out than the part of the plant above the ground. ग्राउंड के ऊपर जो उसकी घास निकली थी उससे ज़्यादा लंबे उसके रूट्स थे जिन्होंने ज़मीन में नीचे मट्टी को अच्छे से पकड़ के रखा था. उसकी वजह से जब वो खींच रहा था तो बाजू में एक पी का प्लांट था वो उससे टूट गया. तब उसके पापा ने उसको बोला, अब्बू ने बोला कि ग्रास ऐसे नहीं खींचते हैं, उसको हमें किसी चीज़ से दबा के ज़मीन में से उखाड़ना पड़ता है तब जाके वो निकलेगा. The stick which was stuck in the ground fell very easily. It was difficult to pull out a small grass. Why? जैसे मैंने समझा, because the roots of the small plant were very deep in the ground. That is why. Do all plants have roots? Yes, all plants have roots. Look at some plants and trees around you. Imagine how deep and spread out the roots of this are. जितना पेड़ बड़ा होगा उसके roots उतने ही ज़्यादा फैले हुए होंगे. After 3 days, Abdul saw that one broken plant of a pea plant had dried. Guess which part would have dried up and why? जो रूट पार्ट होता है दैट नेवर ड्राइज अप, लेकिन जहाँ से वो टूट गया था वहाँ से ऊपर का भाग वो ड्राई अप हो जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि बिकॉज द ट्री टेक्स वाटर, फूड, एवरीथिंग, फर्टिलाइज़र जो भी लेता है वो रूट से लेता है. तो रूट से लेने वाली चीज़ जहाँ तक वो लाइव है वहाँ तक सेम रहेगा, वो ड्राई अप नहीं होगा. लेकिन जहाँ से वो टूट गया है उसके ऊपर वाले भाग पे वो फर्टिलाइज़र या जो उसका बोलते हैं रूट में से जो भी उनको मिलना चाहिए वो चीज़ उसको मिलती नहीं है और वो वहाँ पे ड्राई हो जाता है. Abu remembered that he had to send some radish, that is muli, to home. He started to pull out the radish out of the soil. Abdul wondered whether these are also roots. Only a few radish were pulled when there was suddenly a strong wind and rain. Both of them picked up the radish and ran. They had just reached home when a branch of neem tree in the courtyard broke and fell. In fact, Abu was lucky to have missed by one or few inches. Despite the strong wind, the tree remained firm on the ground. They both sat down to have a tea with Ammi. Abu said to Abdul, the plants were getting dry. Now that it has rained, we will not have to water the plants. We can now sit and play Ludo. उन्होंने बोला कि पानी देने की टाइम हो चुका था बट बारिश हो गई है तो अभी हमें उसको पानी देना नहीं है, हम आराम से बैठ के गेम खेल सकते हैं. जो नीम का ट्री गिरा तो वो ब्रांच गिरी बट ट्री हिला नहीं, बिकॉज वो काफ़ी साल से वहाँ पे था और उसके रूट्स ने ज़मीन को, जो सैंड होती है नीचे ग्राउंड को, अच्छे से पकड़ के रखा था। तो उनको मतलब ट्री किसी को भी हार्म कर पाई नहीं। जबकि जो रेडिश रूट वेजिटेबल्स में आता है, जो ज़मीन के नीचे, ग्राउंड के नीचे ग्रो अप होता है, और ज़मीन के नीचे जो ग्रो होता है वो रूट्स होते हैं। सो व्हाट वी आर ईटिंग इज रूट्स। रेडिश के पता है लिव्स भी होते हैं जो ऊपर के साइड होते हैं, बट मोस्टली वी आर ईटिंग द रूट पार्ट। Why do you think the neem tree did not fall despite the strong wind? As I said, because the roots of neem tree are deep in the ground and they have spreaded very widely. On putting water in the soil where the plants are growing, the dropping leaves becomes fresh again. How? Because the roots takes the water from the ground and it passes to till the top of the plant. What do you feel? Do all plants need water? Yes, each and every plant need water. हाँ, few मतलब lesser or more, but they need some quantity of water. Which of the plants around you need regular watering? You can write here the name of the plants. What will happen if nobody gives water to these plants? अगर कोई भी उसको पानी को नहीं देगा प्लांट को तो क्या होगा? They will dry up. Abdul realized that he never watered the huge neem tree. Where did it get its water from? He thought, which of the plants around you do not need watering? Where do they get water from? Make two guesses. One, that some other people are giving water to them. Then the second thing is the ground सैंड जो होती है, ज़मीन होती है, जो ग्राउंड होता है, इट्स ऑलरेडी हैविंग वाटर इनसाइड इट, तो वो वहाँ से ह्यूमिडिटी में से वो पानी खींचता है और इट गेट्स वाटर फ्रॉम द वेदर. Abdul wondered whether radish was a root. Why did he think so? He has always seen that roots are under the ground and radish also grows under the ground. That is why he thought that the radish was a root. Look at the pictures below and find out which of these vegetable are roots. Bangan, no. Carrot, yes. Then Loki, no. Full gobi hai, no. It grows on the ground. Then beetroot, yes. Radish, yes. Tomato, no. Then this is something, but no. Beetroot is yes. Then what ones are up over there? It's also a root. Cabbage, it's not a root. Abdul has more questions. Nowadays, Abdul keeps thinking about all kinds of plants that he sees. Abdul saw a plant growing out of wall in the school. He wonders, how deep must the roots of this plant be going? How do the roots get water? How big will this plant grow? What will happen to the wall? Can you give the name of this plant in the picture? This is a peepal tree. પીપળનું ઝાડ આપણે જે કહીએ છીએ ને, that is, it's a people used to say pupils tree something, तो ये वो होता है. So it's a people tree. So अभी देखते हैं कि people का tree होता है, it grows anywhere from the wall itself where the people are not working more, so that on that wall the tree comes out. Okay, this tree's roots also grows longer. ये water लेते हैं from the wall itself, because wall में जो होता है उसमें भी humidity होती है, so वो उसमें से पानी लेता है. It grows till it become a tree. When it grows very widely और उसका जो stump होता है वो heavy हो जाएगा, तो it can break the wall as well. Have you ever seen a plant growing from a crack in a wall? Yes. Where was it? It's behind the school compound, you can say that. Did you have any questions when you saw it? That depends on the students. That if you have, then list it out. What were some of your questions? So that will be done by the student themselves, and that should be asked to the parents. Abdul saw a huge tree that had fallen on the roadside. He remembered the neem tree in his courtyard. He could see some of its broken roots. Abdul thought, would someone have unrooted such a big tree, or would it have fallen on its own? How old would this tree be? Abdul, on seeing a tree surrounded by cement ground, thought that how will it get rain water? सी यहाँ पे उन्होंने एक पेड़ देखा तो अब्दुल ने सोचा ये क्या हुआ, इतना बड़ा ट्री किसने गिरा दिया. बट समहाउ इट्स दिस मच ट्री कैन नॉट बी फॉलन डाउन बाय अ ह्यूमन. वो नेचुरली भी गिर जाता है अगर वो बहुत सालों पुराना हो चुका है, अगर उसमें कोई डिसीज़ लग गया है या फिर उसको काफ़ी साल निकल गए हैं, वो ड्राइड अप हो गया है, बिगड़ गया है, तो वो अपने आप टूट के गिर जाता है. सीमेंट वॉल से हमने जो कवर किया है पेड़ को, उसके आसपास थोड़ा हम जगह छोड़ते हैं जहाँ मिट्टी रहती है, तो फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस इट गेट्स वाटर. Which are the oldest tree in your area? Find. You will do, this activity should be done by the students. Out from your elders, how old the tree. Find out that how old the trees are. Name animals who live on this tree. Have you ever seen any big tree that had fallen down? What did you think when you saw it? Unusual roots. Have you swung from a banyan tree? झूले हो कभी? What did you hold to swing? उसके जो लंबे लंबी डाली होती है उसको आप पकड़ के झूलते हो ना. What looks like the hanging branches are actually the roots of the tree. वो actually roots हैं. These grow down from the branches until they reach to the ground. These roots are like pillars that provide strong support to the tree. The banyan tree also has roots under the ground, just as other trees have. See, banyan trees have two type of roots, under the ground and on the branches as well. और वो उतने तक लंबे होते हैं कि जो branches से नीचे ज़मीन तक टच ना हो जाए. Banyan tree is our national tree as well. There was a tree growing close to a lamppost. The tree was so full of leaves that the light of the bulb was blocked. People felt that the branches of the tree needed to be trimmed. Before they do this, they need to take a written permission from the government office. Have you seen any tree which has roots growing from its branches except banyan tree? No. और किसी भी पेड़ को काटना है जो रोड पे है, सोसाइटी में है, कहीं पे भी है, that time you need a written permission to cut it off. Let us do this. Get together with 3 to 4 of your friends from the list of the things given. Decide who will bring which things. A transparent glass tumbler or bottle with a wide mouth, rubber band or thread, some seeds of moong, wheat, bajra, mustard, chana or rajma, and wad of cotton wool. Each group will work with only a kind of seed. Soak a few seeds overnight a bowl full of water. Take the wad of cotton wool and wet it. Okay, now let me explain you in a brief. आपको क्या करना है, यू नीड टू टेक सम सीड्स, उनको ओवरनाइट आप एक कपड़े में सोक करेंगे, एंड देन द सेकेंड डे जो भी टबलर बॉटल या कुछ भी लिया है उसके अंदर आपको वो सीड्स को रखना है. एक बॉटल में रखोगे ओनली वाटर, सेकेंड में रखोगे आप सैंड विथ वाटर, और थर्ड में रखेंगे आप वाटर विथ कॉटन वुड्स. तो उसमें क्या होता है वो आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. विद इन 4 days और 8 days व्हाट आर द चेंजेस यू नोट इन इट. Does it does it grow up? Does the root come out first or the leaf come out first? वो सब आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. कौन सा सूख जाता है, कौन सा जल्दी ग्रो करता है, सब यहाँ पे आप लिखोगे. Here are the questions related with that plant. Do you know desert oak is the tree that is found in Australia? It grows almost all tall as your classroom wall. It has very few leaves. Guess how deep its roots go down. Imagine the length of about 30 such trees laid down in the line and to end, one after another. That is how long the roots of this tree can be. OMG, 30 trees इतनी जितना लंबा उसका एक रूट होता है. These roots go deep into the ground till they reach water. This water is stored in the tree trunk. Local people knew about this. When there was no water in the desert, the local people used to put a thin pipe into the trunk of the tree to bring this water. वहाँ पे पानी नहीं मिलता desert area में, तो roots has to travel a long distance. That is why the roots are very long in the desert area trees. What grows? Arif and Rupali did the above activity. They saw the seedlings grown. When asked what are the things that grow, they had very different idea about things that grow. Arif made a list of the following: leaves, munna, bird, puppy, nails and fish. कौन कौन सी चीज़ें ग्रो होती है वो यहाँ पे लिखना है. रूपाली list had moon, tree, eye, hair, watermelon, mosquito and crow. What do you think? Which of these things listed by Arif and Rupali grow? All the live things will grow. Fish भी छोटी होती उसमें से बड़ी होती है. Why don't you make your own list of things that grow? Your list can include the name of the things that are in Arif's and Rupali's list. इनके लिस्ट में जो भी नाम है वो भी आप उसमें लिख सकते हो. मॉस्किटो, मैलन, हेयर, अपना नाम, आई, ट्री ऑल्सो ग्रोज, मून नेवर ग्रोज. मून का जो साइज होता है वो वैसे का वैसा ही रहता है, तो मून डज नॉट ग्रो. थिंक अबाउट योर सेल्फ. In what ways have you changed over a period of time? Have you grown in any way? For example, आपकी height. Have your height increased? How much taller have you grown in the last 1 year? Imagine you had never cut your nails. Draw a picture of the fingers in the notebook to show they would have looked. What other part of your body? Some people cut it regularly, keeps growing. कौन सा ऐसा बॉडी का पार्ट है जो रेगुलरली ग्रो होता है? कुछ लोग उनको रेगुलरली कट भी करते हैं, जैसे कि आईब्रोज हैं कि उनके हेयर्स ग्रो करते हैं तो उनको जो बड़े लोग होते हैं वो कट करवाते हैं. हेयर होते हैं तो उनको भी हम कट करवाते हैं रेगुलर बेसिस पे. नेल्स वी यूज टू कट. तो ये सारी चीज़ें होती हैं जो बॉडी में ग्रो करती रहती है. सो दिस वॉज द एंड ऑफ द चैप्टर. आई होप यू हैव एन्जॉयड इट. यू हैव लर्नड समथिंग न्यू अबाउट ह्यूमन्स, अबाउट ट्रीज, अबाउट वेजिटेबल्स, and the knowledge must be helpful to you. Stay home, keep learning.